In a previous video, I showed you how to create, how to raise sales invoices, customer invoices. I'm now going to show you how to record payment of those invoices. So if we go to a customer's account, so customers, you'll see that we have some outstanding balances. Example, customer 2, there is an outstanding invoice on their account for £96. And let's do one more. Joe Blogger here has a balance due of 1,000, which is a single invoice here. So how do we record payment of these invoices? We have to go to the customer receipt screen, and that's accessed by going to the bank accounts, choosing the bank account that the payment was received into. So this bank account as an example, going to new entry at the top right, clicking sales receipt, and ensuring that the customer receipt tab is clicked. Alternatively, a quicker way to get to that customer receipt screen is by going to create at the top right, clicking customer receipt. We're then taken to that same screen and customer receipt is highlighted. All we do is fill out this top column. So the customer, example, customer 2. Select the bank account that the payment was paid into, so bank account. The method, cash, check, electronic, credit card, debit card, PayPal. I'll show you how to add or edit these methods in a later video. So let's do electronic. The date the payment was received into the bank account, a reference, which is optional, and the amount received. So £96 was received. When I selected this customer, all outstanding invoices for that customer appeared in this bottom box. And you can see £96. All we do is click that invoice and click save. That customer receipt, that payment from that customer has now been recorded. If we go back to the customer's account, so example customer 2, you can see there's a 0 balance due. You can see that the invoice is no longer outstanding, and you can see the payment on the 16th of October. Let's do one more. So customer receipt. It's Joe Blogger this time. The outstanding invoice appears. This was paid into the bank account, this time by card, and payment was made on the 10th. The amount received was 1,000. We tick the relevant invoice and click save. If part payment was received, say 500, so half of the invoice, then you can still tick this box to allocate 500 against the invoice, leaving 500 outstanding. And if we have a look at that on the customer's account, so customers and Joe Blogger, you can see 500 is outstanding. There was a £1,000 invoice and 500 has been paid.